A noteworthy addition to this evolution is the DriveLink wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system, specifically designed for Peugeot and Citroen models equipped with SMEG, MRN, and NAC systems. This cutting-edge technology brings seamless connectivity, advanced smartphone integration, and support for rear cameras to models such as 208, 308, 508, 3008, C4, DS3, and DS5. The DriveLink system introduces the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. This feature allows drivers to connect their smartphones effortlessly, gaining access to a variety of applications, navigation, music, and messaging services directly from the car's infotainment system. The absence of cables provides a clutter-free and user-friendly experience. DriveLink is specifically tailored for Peugeot and Citroen models equipped with SMEG, MRN, and NAC systems. This includes popular models such as the Peugeot 208, 308, 508, 3008, and Citroen C4, DS3, and DS5. The seamless integration ensures that drivers of these vehicles can enjoy the benefits of modern connectivity without the need for complex installations or modifications. One standout feature of the DriveLink system is its support for rear cameras. This enhancement contributes to safer parking and maneuvering by providing a clear view of the vehicle's surroundings. The integration of a rear camera enhances overall safety, making it an invaluable addition for drivers navigating crowded urban spaces or tight parking spots. DriveLink boasts a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. The high-resolution display ensures crisp visuals, and the system is designed to be responsive, providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience. The integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto simplifies access to navigation apps, ensuring that drivers can reach their destinations with confidence. The DriveLink wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system for Peugeot and Citroen models equipped with SMEG, MRN, and NAC systems in 208, 308, 508, 3008, C4, DS3, and DS5 represents a leap forward in automotive connectivity. Offering wireless integration, rear camera support, and an intuitive interface, DriveLink enhances the driving experience by seamlessly integrating smartphones and providing valuable safety features. Upgrade your Peugeot or Citroen with DriveLink and embark on a connected and safe driving journey.